Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Korean spicy stir-fry pork. So let's start cooking. We're going to stir-fry the pork now. You need to heat up a pan, add in some oil, swirl the oil around. We're going to put the pork in first. Normally for this dish, they use pork belly, but we don't want it to be too fatty. Thus I'm using the pork shoulder, which is very good also. This is 320 grams, sliced thinly. Let's put them in. Make sure you spread them out. Add in 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is the Korean sweet and spicy sauce. Bean paste actually. We like it spicy. Thus we are putting in 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Add in also 1.5 onion slice, yellow onion I'm using. Approximately 4 or 5 cloves of garlic chop. 8 grams of ginger chop. Just mix them up well. This dish is extremely easy to cook. Just put everything in and then just stir fry until it's done. Now if you notice, I did not fry the garlic first. For this dish itself, we basically don't want the garlic to be too charred. It has to have this garlicky kind of a nice taste on the pork itself. Plus I'm just putting it in after I put the pork in. Next, we'll add in half a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, as well as 1.5 tablespoons of light soya sauce. We also add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. This is very good with rice. I can smell it already. It's fantastic. Smells really good. You just need to stir fry until it's cooked. If you like it drier, you can actually pan fry it a little while longer. For the final stage, we're going to add in spring onions. 2 stalks of it. I've cut them out into lengthwise like this. Just put everything in. Mix them up well. Very fast, very easy to do, and super delicious. Now if you like it more spicy, you can always add in more chili if you want to. Or if you don't take pork, you can substitute it with chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh, it's really up to you. Wow, look at the color, beautiful. Okay, this is done. We'll serve this now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Korean spicy stir-fry pork. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.